We'll guide you through how to use Claude AI for coding. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to Claude AI's official website. Once you're there, you'll want to create an account if you haven't already. Simply click on the Sign Up button and enter your details. Once you've logged in, you'll be greeted with the main interface. Here, you'll see a variety of options. To start coding, click on the New Project button. This will open a coding environment where you can start writing your code. Claude AI supports multiple programming languages, so you can choose your preferred language from the options provided. If you're unsure which language to pick, common options like Python or JavaScript are a great start. Now, as you begin typing your code, you'll notice Claude AI offers suggestions and auto-completions. This feature is designed to help speed up your coding process and reduce errors. If you're stuck or need help with a specific function, you can use the built-in documentation feature by clicking on the Help tab. This will provide you with detailed explanations and examples. Once you've written your code, you can run it by clicking the Run button located at the top of the interface. This will execute your code and show any output or errors in the console below. If you encounter any issues, don't worry. You can debug by checking the highlighted error messages and making corrections as needed. Remember, practice makes perfect, so take your time to explore and experiment with different features. Once you're satisfied with your work, you can save your project by clicking on the Save button, ensuring you don't lose any progress. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.